In this video, we show how to replace the cover on a PowerEdge XE7745. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a system cover, rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlock position. Lift the release latch to slide the cover and then lift it away from the system. To install the cover, align it with the system. Close the release latch. Then rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, if that the PowerEdge XE7745, visit dell.com/support.